Hi guys, I have a new unboxing today. A new rig I have wanted for a while, but I have waited to the price to be right, so I have it here now. I'm gonna show it to you. A big Hpi rig, Apache C1 Flux. It's a short course truck, but I have heard it's longer than a short course. It's as long as a buggy, 1/8 scale. Okay, comes with a 2.4 GHz radio system, brushless of course, 4-wheel drive, running on 4S, very scale looking rig with drivers in it and steering wheel and spare tire on the back. So I'm gonna open it now and have a look. Okay, first we got the instructions with stickers, and Hpi always add a DVD on the rigs, so that's the instructions. Let's see what's inside here. This must be the transmitter, I think. First, wrench and some older tools, umbilical and some other stuff in here. And the 2.4 GHz transmitter, 4 AA batteries, 6, looks like this. This is a 3-channel transmitter, the 3rd channel here, looking pretty good. That's the transmitter, 3-channel, 2.4 GHz from Hpi. And now we're going to move over to the last thing in the box, the rig itself. Rid of the box. Here it is. Rig, foam in here, no foam in the spare tire, but that's okay. Yes. I'll give you a closer look now. Here it is. Nice wheels, tires, lights in the front. I think, yes, you can attach LEDs to get 4 lights, big shocks, driver and co-driver inside, holding the steering wheel, stickers on the side of the body, spare wheel on top. Very nice looking rig. You can look here, it has DINs contacts, but I'm gonna change out the DINs with bullet connectors. So I'm gonna take off the body and have a look. Okay, the body is off. It's look very expensive, this body. It had 5 clips to hold it on. Yes, but this is under the hood of the rig. Have a look. This has a steel aluminium plate, of course, under here. Looks good. Turn it around. So here's the motor, everything. And the ESC sits under the spare tire. I'll take this spare tire off to show the ESC. ESC sits right under there. Okay, so that's the ESC. Right down there. Yes. I think I need to change these connectors with bullet connectors, since I like those better than these DIN connectors. And I'm gonna run 2 2S batteries connected in series to get 4S on this rig. I think that will be very cool and run very fast. Okay, so I'm gonna start with that now. So thanks for watching this unboxing, and bye bye.